Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to write the letter G. Okay, the most basic G is kinda looks like A. You start to write an A, then go up, go down, and A becomes a G. That's the most basic one. And if you need to connect it, you can go down and make a loop here and connect it. Also, you can use the features from the A and the G because they have similar forms, so you can have the first stroke a little bit higher than the second one. Okay, let's try something else. For example, something like this. And add a little bit thinny here. Could look pretty good. Also, you can use another way to draw it, the one I really like, and it looks really cool in the end of the words. Words pretty often end with an Y, or well, it's G, but it's basically Y. So yeah, you just start with a G, go a little bit to the right. So you see here it's basically in one line here, but you go a little bit to the right and not draw it straight like here, but draw it a little bit curved. Yes, something like this. Could look really good in brush pen style lettering. Okay, now for something completely different. We are starting with the O. Then add a stroke here, and something like this. This one's from the Sign Painter style, but I really like it. You can make it even more round. Or add a stroke here as well to make it a G, definitely a G. And another variant here is something like this. You draw the letter O, then add a stroke here, one here, and one here. Something like this. And one here. And also you can just add not with an angle, but a straight one. Okay, so that's your basic forms of the G. And now let's try it with a brush pen. So starting like an A, going up, down, and something like this. Or you can make it look like this. So adds a little bit weight here. Let's make something different. Could look something like this, or let's try this one. Same G as I use as a logo for my lettering course, actually this one. And let's try the fancy ones. Starting with an O, a stroke, another stroke, and a swash. O, and the round thingy. O, stroke, 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 something like this. Let's try the last one another time. Stroke, stroke, stroke. And yes, something like this. It would be better if it was not connected here, so let's make the last one the perfect one. Yes, something like this could be really good in lettering and can spicing it up. Let's try it in a word now. We will start with the word game. Okay. Game. Let's try a fancy one and try the word gold. Something like this. You can even make a connection here and here as well. And in T. Yeah, that's cool. The L could be a little bit higher here. Something like this. But that's fine. And let's try in the end of the word, just as I have in my logo of my course. Okay, let's make it something like this. Let's write the word thing. And let's do it with our first marker. Okay, it could take pretty much time, a little bit more than the brush lettering, but I will show you the different styles while we just learn letters. So I'm drawing basically an outline for it. Something like this, and you see here I'm using this G. And add a little bit weight down here. And crossbar in the T. And then the dot for the I, then we will fill it in. And it will look something like this. We can even erase something from here. Yeah, that's nice. That's how you write the letter G.